Hey everyone, and welcome back to Anderson Kia. Today I'll be showing off a 2020 Kia Forte LX IVT in gray. Starting at the front here, we have automatic halogen projection headlights, daytime running lights, and a stylish front grille, along with solar glass and remote keyless entry. Moving on, the Forte LX comes equipped with 15-inch steel wheels with covers, as well as 4-wheel ABS disc brakes. This model also features power-heated Sideview mirrors and both front and rear splash guards. Looking toward the rear now, the LX comes with a very spacious cargo area, remote trunk access, and rear window defrost. Some of the safety features with this model include hill assist control, electronic stability control, and a total of 6 airbags. Looking inside now, this model has a beautiful cloth interior with 60/40 folding rear seats, along with power windows and locks. Looking up toward the front now, we have heated front seats, along with steering wheel mounted audio and cruise controls for distraction-free driving. Some other great features include Bluetooth wireless technology, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay compatibility, along with AM and FM radio, and both USB and auxiliary input ports. The Forte also includes a Rearview Camera on an 8-inch display, as well as air conditioning. Heading under the hood now, this model comes with a 2-liter MPI 4-cylinder engine with an automatic intelligent variable transmission.